So we've got all our wires connected to our keyboards now, to our keyboard, this one. You can see all the wires along the bottom here. So what we need to do now is just to make sure that everything's done properly and I haven't made any mistakes. And the easy way to do that, we've got our test meter, which we used earlier. It's still on the same range, on the ohms range, the diode symbol, the speaker symbol there. And what I've done is I've connected one of the leads to the first C, the C in octave 1, and then I'm just going to go along with the test probe and I'm going to check that all the other C's are connected to that one. So the C in octave 2, we get a beep, so we know that's good, and octave 3, and octave 4, and octave 5, and octave 6. So that's the little one at the end on its own. So that's all okay, and then we can move along and we do the same thing for the D and so on all the way through. Now I've already checked all of these and I know that they're all okay, so we're good to go. I've connected wires to these common buses which we cut earlier. So it was one common bus, it's now 5 or 6 actually. So that's our octave wire for the first one, and that's our second one, and so on. And then at the end of the keyboard here we've got our 18 wires coming out, so those are the 12 notes plus the 6 octaves. They're just kind of hung over the edge at the moment, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to route those around into the top of the octave tray, the stop tray. Down the back there. I'm going to route those wires around and tidy them all up, and then that's where we're going to put our encoder, where those little holes were in the back of the stop tray there. So that's the next job, and we'll come back and look at doing that in a moment.